Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. If you haven't noticed anything different about the footage, I went ahead and got the Canon G7X Mark II, just like every YouTuber in the world. Like, does this make me more YouTuber? I don't know. But I just really wanted to get it together because I'm going to be going to Puerto Rico in about a week and a half, and I wanted to make sure that I did not have to use my phone the entire time. I'm actually able to do some good travel vlogs for you guys. Anyways, for today's video, I am doing a 10-day get right for the summer workout plan emergency edition because I ate so much food over the holidays and I just need to make sure that I am right and tight. I'm doing a bikini haul video and I'm gonna do that like Thursday, which is like the last possible day that I can do it, and I just need to make sure that we skinny, you know, we gotta be skinny. I am not able to leave the house that often, guys, so I have a lot of equipment at home that I use, just some staple pieces. It really gets me through all of my workouts. I guess this is kind of a start of a fitness journey for me because I'm going to continue to do this as I progress into the new year. New year, new me, okay. Let me go ahead and show you guys my progress right now. Spoiler, I'm chubby. So here I am right now. I'm not sucking in. I'm not sucking in at all. Yeah, I just feel large and in charge. Yeah, this is it. I'm gonna make sure I wear the same exact outfit for you guys so you can see the transformation, okay? I just want to give a disclaimer, like I always do, that I do have an extremely high metabolism, so I am able to lose weight like that. I also gain weight like that, so it's just, you gotta pick and choose, you know? But anyways, let's go ahead and jump into this workout. I'm trying to close my ring. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to because I need approximately 400 calories. So this is literally who I do with my home workouts. I don't even know the name. I'm gonna put down the channel down below, but I definitely do this like before I do any working out, any lifting. Yeah, I'm just gonna jump right into this. I actually don't know if this is copyright or not, like if you can get in trouble for this. So I'm going to just tilt the camera downways. I guess you can see me struggle bust through this. Oh, just to let you guys know, I do this a little bit modified. There's like 2 moves that like my back just won't allow because I literally had disc slip in my back, so. Broke my nail. Oh, I already have one broken. And my appointment is not till Sunday. Love that for me. Okay, so that was my first round. I'm gonna do a second round before I start lifting just to get some extra calories in. Honestly, my abs are like killing me because I did a really hard ab workout yesterday and that had like 4 ab based things in there, but that's okay. That's just like why I was struggling because my abs are pretty much shredded, so it's cool. Yeah, I'll be back. I'm doing a 12-week booty workout. It's by Body B-Day Fitness. I purchased this a while ago. It's a PDF now. Today I'm doing goblet squats, split squats, glute bridges, lying clams, single leg deadlifts, and jump squats. So I'm gonna do those in a rotation. And then I obviously have like equipment as well. Nice thing about this also, if you don't know how to do anything, she has literally every single like move that you can do. So that's good too. Obviously, like, I'm no trainer, so like if I do something incorrect, please don't drag me. Hey guys, so that was the first round. I still have 2 more, which there's no reason for me to prolong this video and make it any longer. Once I finish doing this, I will show you guys all of my equipment that I use at home, which I pretty much showed all of it. But yeah, let me get skin to you. 8-pound weights. Yeah. This I got from Walmart. I don't know, what size are these? These are 11-pound weights on here right now. And then I have like more I literally just keep underneath here. I think these are 5 pounds each. So it was literally only $40 from Walmart. And then I have some elastic bands. I do have more of these. This came in a 3-pack. So I have these as well. It is January 16th. So yeah, it is the last day. I have actually met my goal. My lips are so white. I have met my goal. I am like 135, 136 right now. So really happy about that. Yeah, I just want to show you my arms really quick and then we can talk later. Okay guys, as promised, I am wearing the same exact outfit. Don't worry, it is washed. Here's my progress. I think I look a lot better. Like, what? Like, the stomach is all flat. I am currently 135, 136, so I did reach my goal. I'm really excited for that. I obviously am still very far from my goal body. Like, I want to build muscle. I still want to lose more fat on my body, just get my percentage a little bit lower. This is me starting my fitness journey. I just wanted to do it. It wasn't necessarily a New Year's resolution, but it was more so like I had a trip coming up and then I just realized that I feel much better. My skin is more clear. I just feel more hydrated, have more energy, just like eating healthy, cutting out dairy, cutting out alcohol. Like, I just feel so much better without all of those toxins. So yeah, this is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. if you want to continue my journey, I'm going to continue to post videos like once a month just on like my progress of my body. That's just gonna also be able to like hold me accountable for like, you know, continuing to do what I'm doing so you guys can see the progress. But yeah, again, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to watch like some of my other videos. I have some try on hauls coming up. I have some videos coming up from the trip, and I just have a lot of content coming out for you guys. I'm really excited for that. I'll see you all in my next video.